Hello students, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Raffle BBA College Vapi. Subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to semester 5. Hope you are clear with the concept of entrepreneur and its definition in your previous video. In this video, we will cover the topic called qualities of entrepreneurs. As we know that beside possessing your functional quality, entrepreneur should possess the broad personality which help in developing initiative and drive to achieve the great tasks and face the challenges. We know that entrepreneur should be energetic, hardworking, resourceful, aware of new opportunity. He should able to adjust himself to a changing condition and willingness to assume all the risks involved in that change. He should be interested in advancing the technology and improving the quality of products or service. He should be interested in expanding the scale of his operation by reinvesting his earning. He visualized the changes and then adopted. He should work in a systematic work because he is working for the society and the well-being of the society. James Benz has traced the following qualities of good entrepreneur. The personal quality that contribute to success of an entrepreneur are as follow. First one, that is motivation towards achievement. Second one, creativity. Third one, clarity. Fourth one, your business secret to be maintained. Fifth one, human relation ability. Sixth one, communication ability. Seventh, mental ability. And eighth one, risk take. There are other qualities also that need to be maintained, that need to be possessed by an entrepreneur if he want to be a successful entrepreneur. Let us understand each quality one by one in detail. Let us start with the qualities of an entrepreneur. First one, motivation towards achievement. Successful entrepreneur can be a good leader if he has a strong motivation towards his goal, towards his achievements, towards his target, towards his objective. He should know the art of getting things done by other people without hurting their feelings or self-respect. He should have a strong motivation towards the achievement of tasks and must able to have that efforts in getting things done by others. मोटिवेशन टुवर्ड्स अचीवमेंट यही कहना चाहता है कि एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर आपको दूसरे से काम कैसे करवाना है वो स्किल आपको आनी चाहिए और आप सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर कब बन पाओगे जब आप अच्छे तरीके से अपनी लीडरशिप कर पाओगे और वो लीडरशिप कैसे होगा इफ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग मोटिवेटेड टुवर्ड्स योर गोल तो मोटिवेशन टुवर्ड्स अचीवमेंट्स मीन्स दैट you can be a successful entrepreneur if you can be a strong motivation towards your achievement or a task or a goal. Tasks can be completed, tasks can be achieved if you have an efforts in getting things done by other. Second point, that is your creativity. An entrepreneur in terms of creativity should be intelligent, should have a creative thinking, should analyze each and every problems and situation in a precise way in order to deal with it. Creativity आप अपनी एंटरप्रेन्योर के हिसाब से कैसे मेंटेन कर पाओगे if you can resolve the problem and situation in a precise way and you can deal in a precise way. That creativity help an entrepreneur to be a successful. That quality should be there among the entrepreneur. Next quality, third one, that is your clarity. An entrepreneur should have a clear objective, has to the exact nature of business, the nature of goods to be produced, the activity to be undertaken, where to look at business, what should be a production process, what should be a method of production, where to sell products, how much money is required to start business, from where the funds can be raised, and how that funds can be utilized. Each and everything should be clear if you are an entrepreneur, and that can be help to possess a quality and that can help to become a successful entrepreneur. Fourth one, that is your business secret. An entrepreneur should be able to maintain a business secret. As an entrepreneur, you should have a proper selection of an assistant. The leakage of business secret to the trade competitor is a serious matter. That entrepreneur should have an ability to maintain that business secret among the entrepreneurship only. That will help to have a growth of an entrepreneurship. Fifth one, human relation ability. That the most important factor which contribute to success of entrepreneur is an emotional stability, personal relation, and tactfulness. An entrepreneur should have and maintain a good human relation with the stakeholder, that is your customer, employees, that is your government, all the stakeholder of the entrepreneurship. If anybody make you fool, you should not be an emotional, and you should not be fooled by themselves. You should have a emotional control. You should have a ability to understand the human relation, and that will help to become a successful entrepreneur. That is your human relation ability as a quality. Let us understand the other quality, that is a communication ability. As we know that in communication, both sender and receiver should understand the same message. Communication ability is an ability to communicate effectively, which implied that good communication implied that both sender and receiver should understand each other in a proper way. An entrepreneur who can effectively communicate with customer, supplier, employers, and a competitor will more likely to be success than an entrepreneur who does not. So, in a communication ability, both sender and receiver should understand each other in a proper way. The another quality is your mental ability. Mental ability in the consists of intelligence, an analytic approach, or a creative thing. Entrepreneurs should be mentally strong to handle each day-to-day stress. As we know that if we start our entrepreneurship, we need to deal with various problems, various situations, various day-to-day stress. Suppliers को कैसे डील करना है, कस्टमर के साथ कैसे डील करना है, अपने शेयर होल्डर्स के साथ कैसे डील करना है, वो सारा स्ट्रेस जो एंटरप्रेन्योर को पोजेस करना होता है, वो उसमें उसकी मेंटल एबिलिटी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. देन ओनली ही कैन एबल टू रन दैट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इन अ स्मूथ वे. He should be mentally stable to consider the downfall in the business as well as adopt the change that take place in the market, and it will help him to become a successful entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you should be mentally stable to consider your downfall also and to adopt that change also. That mental ability should be possessed as an entrepreneur. Last one, that is your risk taker, the first and foremost quality of an entrepreneur. I can say that it is a key element of an entrepreneur. That entrepreneur should be a risk taker. If he can't take a risk, he cannot be considered to be an entrepreneur. Risk arises from uncertainty. Uncertainty, that is future is uncertain. We are dealing with the future, and future is totally uncertain. We don't know what will happen in the future. The recent example that can you imagine that everything is in fall down just because of the effect of COVID-19 that we have not predict also, and thus just because of that COVID-19, each uncertainty which entrepreneurship is dealing is considered to be a risk taker ability as an entrepreneur. Apart from this other quality, there are other qualities also to be possessed by an entrepreneur, that is vision, that is adaptability, that is flexibility, motivator, willpower, commitment, self-confidence, and dreamer. Vision, that is entrepreneur should be a good vision about his future of the entrepreneurship. Adaptability, adaptive, that he should be adapt to have a changes in the business. Flexibility, he should be flexible enough to make changes in his method of production, in his recruitment procedure, in his selection procedure, in his marketing program, in his marketing promotion. Motivator, he should be a good motivator to handle each and everything, and he should be a self-motivator. He should motivate his employees. Willpower, he should have a strong willpower to handle each and every situations of his business. He should be commitment towards his supplier, towards his customer, towards his employees, towards his government. He should be self-confidence and create confidence among his employee. He should be a dreamer of his entrepreneurship, because that will make a successful entrepreneur. Take an example of Dhirubhai Ambani.
If he was a dreamer, then only today his business is at top position. So, this all are the qualities of an entrepreneur to become a successful entrepreneur. That quality should be possessed by an entrepreneur, then only he will become a successful entrepreneur. Hope you are clear with the concept of qualities of entrepreneur. We will meet once again in the next video with the functions of an entrepreneur, that is activities of an entrepreneur. Thank you, students.